It's still the same day, it's 9:30, so we make now the second video. I don't want to talk 1 hour because it's also boring to talk too much so long. So those topic will be how to find investor capital, investor pitch, how to start easily, how to make your logo, web hosting, Instagram, Gmail, local places, ask for help. So I try to make it quite simple and easy. So first of all, it's not so complicated to raise capital if you have an interesting business idea, but at the same time it's not like super simple and it's like this now. What I really think what you have to do in the first step, you have to write your ideas down, and then you have to make a small, call it elevator pitch, business pitch, maximum 20 pages, not so long, make it really clear, make it really simple, and this is your basic. So you don't need a really expensive business plan because probably nobody will read it if you're talking about a small business and if you need money. It's also a question if you want to give up something from your business just for money and this kind of stuff. It's a really important question. For example, I can no longer ask my family. I need to give them money already back from my first business. So there's nobody who I know really now can borrow me money for it. So I will try it by myself. At the same time, I'm looking for them. So let's say you have your elevator business pitch. On the next step, what I really think it's a really good idea in the time of social media, it's creating an ad for it. Something funny to target the right people on Facebook targeting. You can do it really simply. You target like interested in crowdfunding, whatever. So this kind of stuff. What you can do at the same time, it's a crowdfunding message. It's for me a bit complicated. I tried Kickstarter, but I have some issues with my Visa and that I have a bank account in Mexico. But yeah, so I will go to Indico. I will make their crowdfunding because there I can use my German bank account, Germany, and show just in Mexico. Let's see how this works, but I will do it. It's a win-win situation because this gives some attention and some maybe money or not. Let's see if it works. Even if it don't work, it gives me attention. This is what I need. So I just start now. So I work on some menus, some pre-menus, some flyers. So I ask also some people I know, they already put it also in the gym. It's just now a really ugly flyer, right? But at least I start. So now I can work on a bit more better flyer because also there are some early questions. So I create some other kind of flyer. And my idea later is you just create a flyer. Jesus, no, I don't, really well prepared. So I have now a flyer, and the idea what I will do later is not really a flyer, but you have to mention flyer. I will make it a little bit bigger, 2 pages maybe. And here I will glue somehow some micro stuff with some cards and offers like 10% off or something. I will really start early. I will make everything home, print everything home, especially in Mexico. The people don't want to be everything perfect. So I will go to a lot of local places and present my product. Probably in the gyms, meal prep works really fine. What I want to say with this one also, ask stranger people. Their people are really nice. There's a lot of amazing people outside. If you ask them for help, they will help you. Without any doubt, they will help you. That's really cool. So, and before all this, maybe you just need to start. So let's say you have zero money like me. So I register at free Gmail, cheetomails.com. I create a logo for free. Google how to make a logo for free or free logos. You have to look, some of them don't want money. But if you have some Photoshop skills, you can make a nice looking logo. What is not perfect, but don't think about too much about the logo. Don't think about too much about the name. My name idea was just like I want some English Mexican slang. So Cheeto, it's a Cheeto. It's a nice Mexican slang. Some people don't like it. My ex-fiancée, she say, this is not a nice word, but some people are laughing about it. So I like it. It's not complicated. I don't want to overthink things again in my life. I just say, this is a name. I create a simple logo. Then you can Google Freehosting. So I have to see, let me check what was the name, what I really want. I don't know, I will put it down on the link. And they have free space. They give you a kind of small subdomain. You can use it for the starting, don't try to be perfect. Maybe you can ask a friend if he can borrow you 10 bucks or 5 bucks that you can register your domain. I will do the same. Just to be clear that nobody from you will steal my domain before I uploaded this video. Can be happened. And so yeah, they have free hosting, they have WordPress. You can Google nice or beautiful looking free WordPress theme templates. So this is the basic, and this is something you all the skills you can learn. Just Google YouTube how to, Google how to, and you will find it out. WordPress is super easy to use. It's a good starting one. Also with an online shop, it's e-commerce, it's for free. You can use later Shopify, and all the stuff to get more viral, and they are better maybe somehow, but you have no money. So why you think about things what you cannot think? It's the same with me. And so you have your logo, you have your simple domain. You can make it even files. You can find this small shut domain like bit or something, and then you create like your brand name, your brand idea. So it's really fast, really simple. They will forward you to your free homepage. You make everything free. You don't have to be perfect. You just want to start. You want to make some early sales, some early money, get attention. And then you create the Facebook page and the Instagram page. For Facebook, ask 10 friends that they're giving you a like so that you can create a username. It's much more easy. Try to find the same username for Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, all the same. This will be beautiful if you have a name what is everywhere the same. It makes much more easier to find you. Upload it fast 9 or 10 pictures. Tag the most 10 common hashtags on Instagram. So use on Instagram common hashtags. Tag on all pictures the 10 most them. Put some more hashtags on the top what is related to your topic. Sure, you will see you will get early likes and all your followers, especially if you have some interesting pictures. The pictures you can make you by yourself, or if you want to have a small Kickstarter, you use illegal Google. Okay, just the picture search, but I think it's not legal. I don't know, somehow not. But you know, it's a small business. You're just in your town. You start small. You want to pay your food and your rent, so don't overthink things. Then think about local places who probably or where people are going to buy your product. For meal prep, gyms. So on Instagram later I will tag, you have on Instagram the hashtag option and also the option to target places. So I will target all gyms with my product every day, 3 times, 4 times. Then my private account, I will do the same. And so like this you get free attention because somebody sees somebody is maybe interested. So you're starting to build up your early audience. And even if nobody buys something, at least it gives you attention, it gives you likes, and maybe they ask you a question like, how's the price, this product, this one, so you get more like used to this. Then again, talk to strangers, talk to people who you don't know, ask them for advice, ask them for help. You will be wondering how helpful people can be if you ask them. I ask a lot of people, and so far they're really nice. They really help you, and especially in a world like this where the environment is nice. So if you try to put some nice environment helping stuff. For example, for me, I will put the meal preparing in the trigaderino floor mais. I don't know. It's like a biodegradable box. So it's no plastic, so that's the worst thing. So also, and you need a strong why. So why you're creating this company. So also my personal brand, how I lose my weight, how I try to become a better person, how to become fit again, to overcome all this bad relationships. It's a part of my branding and my story behind it, and I will also market it out like crazy. When we're talking about marketing and all the free stuff, what you can do a challenge. I will do also the same. I will make a 1-year transformation challenge. It's my goal. So I want to find 10 people who buy my product for 1 year with personalized diet plan, everything personalized just for them. So they get a really nice product actually. And the idea is even we make together a nice goal and a contract. If they're finished after 12 months, their goal, we reach a really crazy goal, they will get like 90% of the money back. Of course, I don't make money in the short term, on the long term with them if they reach their goal. But think about this. If you can help 10 people to lose the weight with your product, or like with your diet product, with your food, whatever, just in this idea, it's a huge marketing, powerful tool in the long term. So, and the nice thing, let's think about everybody from this 10 people who reach the crazy goal. Will be amazing. I can have 10 people. If just 5 reach the goal, also amazing. If just 1, nice. So it's thinking. First of all, this will bring me a small cash flow and everything. I will market it with local flyers around and also with advertising. So for the advertising, I need money. You don't need so much money if you really think about how you target. So to make a neural range, you have to really try to understand a bit Facebook. Facebook is powerful. Instagram is even more powerful. You can ask some influencers. Yeah, influencer marketing, it's powerful. Just asking, do you want to give them 2 or 3 days of your product or your product for free? And they just have to make it some short advertising with it. And this is amazing. Ask all your friends to retarget your product. One of them will buy it. Maybe then you have for $100 you make, instead of to go to the party and just waste a fucking money for beer, just try to put the money in social media and advertising, target a really perfect target audience, and maybe in 2-3 months you can get really wider. But now you need it really small, so you have to really think, who's my audience, my client. That's about marketing. So that's it's like the first, and right now you pay nothing for it. Everything what you need is to put your energy inside and the time it's running. So it's like me. 2 weeks more, or I kicked out of the apartment. So this is like, you have to do it. And for me, what I do now, this video is also kind of to show if everything goes really nice, successful, you can say, nice. Is everything failed? Failed. But also, I want to create a bit more my personal brand, so this will help. And the other thing is also, it helps me to realize my ideas and the way how I'm doing it, and this helps a lot. And maybe some guys see this and say, man, you have to do this and this, and you give me a great advice. So this will be amazing. And don't forget, that's only one thing what is really important, and I said it today also. That's only one person you have to make happy, and that's you. Nobody else. Give a shit about everything else, right? That's you. It's your life. You have just one life. We will die. So if you know this, enjoy. Sorry, my dog in the background. He wants to eat some human. It's a crazy black German dog. Funny mix, right? German Shepherd. And so this was for now the basic stuff. And I will go now ahead and will do my Instagram stuff. So this is actually what I will do now, Instagram and Facebook. I asked some friends to like my Facebook page, how I say, to create a name. And then Instagram, I retarget the top 10 people to create a small audience. And then I have to find somebody who can borrow me $10 to register the com domain. And of course, all the stuff like how to research names and everything, do it before. It's quite simple to check. First of all, Facebook, for example, you just type Facebook / your brand name, enter. It's not available. You can see it's free. Something you will see error message, so the name is free. Try the same on Instagram. And try the same on domain check, like how domain check, Google domain check. So find something what is like common, and you have everywhere the same. This makes the things really clear and simple for your clients to find you. Don't overthink the name. Just find the name what is like not common or not existing already. Probably try also if there is some trademark on it. There are free how to trademark and everything. Mostly of the time, if you think some bad crazy things, even it's a nice search engine to find business names. Also, I will link it. And that's it. So that's for now. I will go ahead to work. I love you. I appreciate your hate. I appreciate your love. I appreciate everything. Leave me a comment. Leave me a like, whatever. I will be glad if you do it. We have no followers right now. Maybe when I make the videos too. So enjoy it. Have a beautiful day. Today it's Today is the 6th of September 2019. We are in Mexico. My name is Nicolas Locoaleman. Like me on Instagram. Ciao.